This 2003 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is brought to you by A Lot of Used Cars LLC. 2003 Chevrolet 1500 Silverado pickup truck. Very low mileage, only 133k miles. Runs and drives excellent. Very strong V8 5.3 engine and automatic transmission, loaded with ice-cold AC with separate driver and passenger temperature control, cruise control, trailer hitch on bumper and trailer lights, automatic headlights, chrome bumpers, tilt steering column, Bluetooth stereo for phone and music. This truck is two-wheel drive and runs excellent. It only has 133,000 miles. 2-year emission clean title. Visit us at alotofusatcarsas.com.